Alright, so we continue here now. How do we quantify the gradient? The first thing we need to understand is the difference between a positive gradient and a negative gradient. Alright, so some lines would go like this and some lines would go like that. Alright, so basically we're in a situation now where we have no choice but to ascribe some sort of directional quality to the hill. So we're no longer just going up a hill, right? We're going up a hill that facing a particular direction, because the more information we have about this hill is the more specific we could be in visualizing the hill and knowing exactly what's taking place. Alright, so a gradient running like this would be a positive gradient, right? And a gradient running like this would be a negative gradient, right? This is what I like to refer to as the orientation of the line. So a line is no longer just a line. A line has a whole set of specific qualities, and as we go further and further into studying lines, we will get more and more detail in describing the qualities of this line, right? So the line has a gradient. The line also has an orientation or a direction. Good. Now, once we have this in mind, we could immediately visualize a line anytime we get a figure for the gradient. So if we know the gradient of a line is -2, we could tell immediately how the line is oriented. If we know that the gradient of a line is 1/3, we could tell how the line is oriented, and we could get a sense of the general slant of the line. So what do I mean by that?